Today I wanted to tell you all about a new letter, and that letter is the letter N. Can you guess what sound the letter N makes? N makes the N sound. Now I have 3 objects to show you that start with that sound. The first one is a nail clipper. Nail clipper. The next one is a napkin. Napkin. And finally, the last one is a notebook. Notebook. Now last week we briefly touched on ending sounds, and I want to show you 3 objects that end with the N sound, with the N sound. The first one I have is a pen. A pen. Then I have the image of a woman. Woman. And the last one is a man. Okay, friends, so for next week, I want you to find objects that start and end with the N sound. Have fun and see you later. Bye.